Okay, I tried working on your plan in Home Designer Suite, and the best I could get it to do in Suite was this. Obviously, I'm got this open in Cheap Architect X7. What I did to do this, which is still not optimum, I just went on the first floor and put a wall break right here, and then this part of that wall I set to full gable. I know it's on the first floor, but nevertheless, I thought I gave it a try. And this little segment, I set to nothing, and that's how I got it to this condition here. But I couldn't figure out how to go any further, and of course this attic wall is messed up, and the overhang's incorrect. Otherwise, it's pretty good. I guess for Suite, that's pretty good. Now, some of the guys that use Suite or architectural all the time might figure out a better solution, but I thought I'd just fix the file and then make it available to you. Like to go on your way. Now, in Cheap Architect Premier, and also in Home Designer Pro, of course, you can do things you can't do in Suite, like this. You just click on the roof plane and pull it over. And you can't do that in Suite. But it's a relatively straightforward fix. Let's see, the overhang needs to be 300 millimeters. Let's see what this is. Set that to 300 millimeters. Okay, now that's only part of the deal. The rest of the problem is up here. I'm going to turn on the reference display, and let's see. Might be able to just do it in 3D, but this roof plane here, we don't want it extending down into the building, so I'm going to click on it, put a wall break, which you don't have this kind of a tool anywhere except in Pro or in Cheap Premier, and just pull that out of the way. And we'll click here, line that up. Okay, that fixes this side. You end up with a little dead valley here, but usually roofers handle that with flashing or a roof cricket and so forth, which you will need to do as well. Now, see, when I pulled that roof plane in, of course it chopped the wall over here, so I need to click here, put another wall break up here where this valley is, right there, and pull this back out. Whoops. Like that, so that the wall comes back in there. So I'm going to save this, and also I'm going to program it so that you can continue editing it in Home Designer Suite. This command right here will allow you to do that, even though I've edited this. But just don't rebuild roofs, because you can't just do what I just did in anything but Pro or Premiere. But now at least you can finish up your design with this done. You can't ever rebuild roofs, not in Suite, because you can't do what I just did. It's not possible. See, I need to make a little adjustment there. Click on that. Move that down a little bit more. That's better. Okay, that's the way it should build, but Suite just doesn't have the tools to do that. It's pretty simple and straightforward, but you get what you pay for with Suite. This software here costs $2,600. Suite costs what, $60, $70, $80, something like that. So that's just kind of how the cow eats that particular piece of cabbage. So but now you can start putting in your windows and your doors and so forth, and live happily ever after. And but if you want to do additions to this design, you're going to need to get Home Designer Pro so that you can click on a roof plane and manually edit it and so forth. And you'll have to learn how to do that, but I mean, you pay the extra money for the extra choices and abilities. Anyway, thank you, and I'll post this file and the video, and you can do with it whatever you see fit. Thank you.